Welcome to my channel. My name is Silenthia, and I'm a mom who's trying to get her family to financial freedom. I have a part-time job. I also have an Etsy shop with I'm Cassie J Budgets and Vlogs. I'll link our shop as well as our freebies down below so you can check them out if you're interested. Also for the month of May, I did join a collaboration of ladies where we are supporting each other's YouTube channels in each other's shops, however way we possibly can. And I will link those ladies down below as well. What are we doing today? Happy Sunday. We are doing our high priority cash stuffing. I do have my weekly expenses and then some savings challenges that I am working on where I'm trying to reach some goals. So let's count up what we're stuffing today. I did pull more money than I typically would because May is a magic month, which means that I get 5 paychecks instead of 4. So we have a little bit of wiggle room to play and save up a little bit more money. So today we have 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 50, 55, 60, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74. We have $174 here that we are working with, and we have some work to do today. So first off, I do want to get through my weekly expenses. I'm getting tongue-tied. Those are the envelopes that I need to stuff to get me through the week. And we are going to scoot that. Get going here. These envelopes I did get from Wonderprint Creations. And let's start stuffing with Mommy getting $10. Oh, and by the way, this past week, I did buy a scratch ticket in hopes to win again. I didn't win, but I did buy one. Actually, I bought 2 $5 tickets, and I didn't win. So there's that. Gas getting 20 bucks. I thought about increasing gas, especially this week, and then trying to roll over the money, but I have a very bad tendency, if I still have money from one envelope and we need something from another, I will spend it. So I figured let's just leave it alone, and if I do need more money for gas, we'll revisit that. I've been doing really good with my gas. So household getting $10, 5, 10. All right, and then pets getting $10. I don't need this bill. So I have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then laundry, I'm not adding, I should add a couple of dollars because I have my quarters here. Let's see how much we got. 1, 2, 3, $3. Let me grab my quarters. All right, so this is my bag that I have my quarters in, and so I'm just going to go ahead and add these $3 here, and I'll grab a few more quarters because they're in there to get me through my laundry adventures. Okay, so weekly expenses completed. So I thought I didn't have any letter books, so I didn't grab my binder. I do need to grab it because we have one K-book. Be right back. All right, this is my binder I'm saving my letter books in, and we have a K-book, so let's go ahead and take care of that. That was quite a task finding my marker. One K-book there we're adding, and this savings challenge for the letter books is actually in our shop, and I will try to remember to link it down below. That's perfect. I am saving ebooks, K-books, D and B. So those are the ones I'm focused on. How about we work on our save 225 in 2025? And I don't know how much I want to stuff there today. How about we do, let's see. Oh, how about we do $40 today? We're going to do 40. Oh, yes, we are. Okay, we're saving $40. This savings challenge I'm actually working on trying to complete so I can have the funds for my kiddo's birthday. So how about we do Let's do a 20. Oops. 15 and a 5. Oh my goodness. Can you believe that? Let's see. How are we going to do this? Because we need some change here to make sure we do this properly. Let me see if I could find some change. All right, we grabbed some change. And the only reason I grabbed the change is because each slot has a certain number that is allotted for each in order to complete the savings challenge. Okay, so I said a 10 or 15, a 10, no. I said 15, 5, and 20. So let's see. Here's a 15. And here's a 5. And we need a 20. Perfect. All right. Making such good progress. My kiddo's birthday is in June. I have a couple savings challenges that I'm working for my kiddo's birthday in order to save enough by their birthdays. So this one I want to try to get completed before the end of May, so then that way I can make sure I'm prepared in June. And the same with the other savings challenges, which today we are adding this beauty. This is the May savings challenge for the group collaboration I mentioned earlier. And I think what we'll do is I was thinking about rolling and multiplying and saving and all of that, but I think what I might do is mark each spot as $5. I think that's what I'm going to do, because that way I can make sure I'm saving a little bit more than I normally do. My kitty was jumping up all over the place, and we're not going to do that. So I think we'll do each circle as $5, and then that way we can try to save more than what I typically would. And so we're going to start with 20 bucks today. I think that's the way I'm going to work this one. Yeah, I think that might be the best bet at this point. Yes. Okay. Sorry, my brain is trying to compute and think of things right now as we are working on it, but I don't want to do that. I want to make sure I'm focused, and that's the plan. If it does change next week, that's fine with me, but in the meantime, in between time, as it stands, let's go ahead and put this $20, since we're already off to a great start, here. And I'll have to find another place for this because I carry this wallet with me, and I don't want to be carrying my savings challenge. But for now, that's a perfect spot. Now, oh, we don't have change, but what we do have is pen and paper, and so we can work on saving. This is the Christmas bingo, which you can also find in our shop, and so it can save you a minimum of $116. And we are going to pull the cards here that we are working on. Okay, these are the bonus cards, which we will set there, and these are the players cards to correspond with the bingo sheet. And let's see here. Okay, where's my marker? First off, here we have our marker, and I have not as prepared as I'd like. I have my little sticky note here, and I don't know if I have change. I did not go through and get exact change, but we are going to see what we are working with today. All right, so let's pull the first number, B4. B4 is 7. Okay. All right, and then let's see, let's pull another player's card, N4. Ooh, N4 is 10. Okay, that's $17 already. And should we go for it? Should we go for it? Because, yeah, yes, we're going to go for it. Because we have a little bit to work with today. 7! Another 7. Maybe we should have left well enough alone. Oh boy. Okay. All right. So that gives us $24. Woo! Okay. And I don't have change. I think we might have to pull one more. And I'm thinking we might have to pull one more just because we need it to be a little bit higher. Let's see. Okay, we're just gonna pull one more because I'm brave. Let's see. I3. Because I'm brave. Yes, I am. 6. Okay, wait. That's $30? Yes. That's 30. Okay. So I need $10 back. All right. Okay, that helps. That helps. Okay, let's see here. So these are the ones we've already played. And I think I might go another round before I do an actual cash stuffing for my Christmas binder with this cash. But we're going to see how things go. All right, so we need $30, which means we can take 10. Perfect. And now we have 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 22, 24, 25, 26, 27. I have $127 that I'm working with for this Christmas bingo so far. So exciting. Oh yes. We have plenty of numbers left, but we don't have change today, so we are going to come back next week. And this one I'm working on until November. Or whenever I finish it. I think I'm going to do 2 rounds. So whenever I finish it, that's when we'll do a Christmas binder cash stuffing. So let's put this away. All right. Now we have to work on, this is my Deadpool binder. This one is just my savings for my kiddo's birthday. I actually don't have a specific plan. I have some ideas for this, but I just really, I don't know what I'm doing right at this point. We're just trying to save something, and we're going to see how things come together for this binder. So, food. Let's see here. What do we have in food? So I was thinking maybe we could go out to eat, or we could order pizza or something. 5, 10, 15, 16, 17. So let's add $5. 5, 10, 15, 20, 21, 22. And we're going to take this 20. Perfect. That gives us some 5s. Because we need the change. All right, Victor, let's add $5 there. And we have 20, 25, 26, 27. And Vincent, let's add 5 for him as well. All right, now we have 20, 25, 26, 27. Should we add 5 more for my kiddos? I think we will. Let's add 5 more for my kiddos. They do want expensive gifts. However, if I have to pull all the money together in every way, shape, form, or fashion to get them the expensive gifts, that's what I'm going to work on doing. If I'm able to get them expensive gifts and then still be able to take them out to eat or do something fun with them, I will definitely work on it. But I'm not going to beat myself up if I'm not able to exceed my own expectations. My kiddos are very aware of my financial situation and where I stand in terms of trying to figure it out for them. I'm doing the very best I can, and that's all I can ask of me. So we have 20, 25, 30, 31, 32 now. Okay, perfect, because that helps with their birthday. Adding another $5, and then we'll add the last 5 to mine. Basically, mine is just a buffer. If we go somewhere, then I won't be empty-handed. That's all I wanted to make sure they're not trying to carry my weight as well whenever we do decide to do something. 20, 25, 30, 31, 32. So, and I've mentioned this before, every time I stuff this, it needs to be equal. If it's not, I will figure out how to make sure it is. And we'll add this $5 to mommy. All right, so we've got 5, 10, 11. We got $11. Yes. Okay. So, at this point, like I said, have a couple of ideas. I think we're leaning more towards just going out to eat. And I don't know if we're going to invite other family members just because I can't afford to pay for everybody else. But I will keep you posted on what ends up happening. We've gone ahead and stuffed our Deadpool savings. It's not a challenge. It's just whatever I can save. Our Christmas bingo, which is a challenge. That's been quite fun. Save $225 in 2025. As well as one letter buck, which I'm kind of sad about that. I've been wanting to hone in on this a little bit more, just because whatever I have in this binder for my B and D bucks go to my kiddos. So I want to try to get that taken care of. And then if I can't do letter bucks, I was thinking about maybe just adding the difference in there, but we'll see. And then also my weekly expenses. And of course, you all see me stuff my laundry. And so my monthly savings challenge that I'm working on as well, which I'm very excited. Oh man, I love this one. I'm so excited to try to complete it, but also I wanted to try to increase it a little bit and challenge myself a little bit so that way I could save more for my kiddo's birthday. But that's it for now, guys. I want to thank you all so much for watching. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. All of the things that can keep us connected. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys.